by the end of this video, you will know how to make a Google My Map listing or displaying all the waterfalls in your state. So I made a map of Utah here. And it's important to know that all of this data is going to come from OpenStreetMaps. That's going to be our data source for this. And you can click on a waterfall or zoom in a little bit more, and we can see the name and maybe see some other information, the node ID that it came from OpenStreetMaps. Okay, so the way we're going to do this is create a Google My Map. I'm going to do this within Google Drive. So right-click, More, Google My Maps. And let's name it Waterfalls of Colorado. And now we're going to go to this website called overpass-turbo.eu. And this is a website that basically is very, very helpful in exporting data from OpenStreetMaps. So we'll click the wizard up here. And what we need to do is waterfalls are classified as waterways in OpenStreetMaps. So we'll do waterway equals waterfall, and then we need to tell it what state we're in, so in Colorado. We'll click Build and Run Query, and this will take 5 or 10 seconds. We'll zoom out to Colorado, and we'll notice now that all of our data is here. We can export the data by clicking the Export button, and then download as KML. Okay, so I got it down here. Now we go to our map. Untitled layer, let's change this to Waterfalls of Colorado. Import, and we will drag or open our file here. So I'm going to drag it. We'll wait a few seconds. An error message may come up here saying that some columns are skipped. Don't worry about that. You'll notice that many of the waterfalls don't have names. Don't worry about that either. Not every falling body of water has a name. And so here's our waterfalls. Now let's give our map some flair. So let's rename this to Waterfalls. I'm going to do set labels name. I want the name of the waterfall right next to it, and then I want a uniform style. And my style, you know, I really like maybe this blue right here. And there is a waterfall icon, so we'll choose that. We can share a map by clicking the share button, enable link sharing, and make it public. And so I can copy this link and share it to my friends. That's about it. You know, I just want to say again that there are obviously probably many more waterfalls in Colorado than just this. These are only waterfalls that are listed in OpenStreetMap, but I think it's a really, really good starting point if you're making a list of waterfalls or you're trying to see what's near you. And that's about it, everyone. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, subscribe and give a thumbs up.